Right. After a partial summer break, we've got good old Williams 72 Mustang Convertible out here. You guys remember, it's got a Windsor with the good old Sniper EFI. First order of business here at the end of summer is we got to get his tach to work. Now, not an HER, so we obviously have tach signal output here, and it's got wiring going through it. So I double checked our connection here. My next step is after I plug this back in, see if this tach actually works inside. If not, then I get to play what's going on under the dash for fun and frolic, which is always a lovely good time. Uh-oh, they're going outside with the creeper. That's not good. Good old Victor and the boys next door. Let me check out what we got going on in here. But once the battery charged, the boys got it out here this morning. Everybody, while I was running around taking care of some errands, we got the car out, ready to go, out of the storage unit next door. And as you can see, we have no tach operation. So my next step is going to be upside down under the dash fun, which I'm going to tell you guys right now, I'm going to do that in the morning because it's about 9,000 degrees and humid right now, and it's late in the day. We've all been here since early-ish, and yeah, so we'll continue this quest in the morning. But we got it running, we got the battery charged. We're going to let it sit on the charger overnight as well, so it's charged, and then tomorrow we're going to get here super early. We got to load up the race car because we're going racing this weekend, and then we will be jumping in on this.